In primetime news this evening, new school year, same old problems. Students locked out by school leaders.
A glitch in St. Thomas on otherwise successful first day for the rural bus system.
And political parties given notice to remove election campaign paraphernalia. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Thanks you so much, Janella. Well, there are lots to talk about. Scotia Group is reporting a net income of $14.8 billion, and the Jamaica Stock Exchange has appointed a new CEO. The details later on.
Is that a high school tie? Is that a high school tie? He looks like a schoolboy today. Is that Jermaine Brown? No, it's Renardo Brown. With a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Definitely. It's the first day of school. Well, it could have been last week, but it's so khaki pants, my Bridgeport tie, white shirt, jacket.
Hey.
I'll tell you what, we continue our build-up to the World Athletics Championships in Tokyo by looking at the men's 100 meters, and the Reggae Boys hunt another crucial win in their quest for World Cup qualification as they play Trinidad and Tobago tomorrow at the National Stadium. We'll tell you all about that and much more in Primetime Sports.
That is not a school tie, though, the one that's coming up.
Oh, no. I was looking for the Monroe. Is it, did I say it correctly? The
Yes.
Monroe tie. The Monronian is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. Now, this week we do have showers and thunderstorms that are expected across most of the area, especially across central and western parishes tomorrow and across inland areas into the weekend.
He's never taking us on, is he? There's also more in the weather report and forecast later on. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Okay, so this is an interesting one. This evening, we are asking, what are your thoughts on the no edges policy by some school? You know that fancy little thing that they do?
I saw it. I saw one school. That was so interesting.
Yeah, that's what we're asking this evening. I can't wait to hear the comments.
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center. Who are you pointing to, Anthony?
He's telling me about the edge brush. Did you know about the edge brush? It looks like a toothbrush, but anyway. Stay with us. Primetime News Package continues with, well, right after this break.